Esther Margot Justiniano Uson, born May 17, 1978, better known as Mocha Uson, is a Filipino media personality, political blogger, and former public official whose career and online presence have drawn significant attention and criticism, particularly regarding allegations of spreading fake news and disinformation. She is also a co-founder of the dance group Mocha Girls. Uson served as a member of the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board (MTRCB) from January 2017 until her appointment as an Assistant Secretary of the Presidential Communications Operations Office (PCOO) in May of the same year by President Rodrigo Duterte. Duterte defended the appointment, citing debt of gratitude for her support during his presidential election campaign. She resigned from the PCOO on October 3, 2018, following a series of controversies. Sources gave differing accounts, with some reporting she was dismissed by Malacca Gang. On September 30, 2019, Duterte appointed Uson as Deputy Executive Director of the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, OWWA, an appointment which drew public criticism from Filipino netizens. Prior to her government appointments, Uson was known for her work as an entertainer with the Mocha Girls, which included performances and media content that were described as risk. Her time in office, particularly her use of her blog as a platform, was marked by criticism regarding her administrative competence and the dissemination of fake news and misinformation. News outlets and critics have referred to her as the Queen of Fake News. Mocha Uson was born in Dagupan, Pangasinan, Philippines. However, she later stated in her certificate of candidacy to run for Councilor of Manila in 2025 that she was born in Makati, Metro Manila on May 17, 1978. Her father, Oscar Uson, was a judge of the Regional Trial Court in Pangasinan who was assassinated in September 2000 in Asingan. Her mother, Estrelita Uson, was a pediatrician in Dagupan and a breast cancer survivor. Due to her baby's dark complexion, Uson's mother was frequently gifted with mocha-flavored cakes and ice cream as a filial or friendly joke, which inspired her childhood nickname. Uson graduated with a Bachelor of Science degree in Medical Technology from the University of Santo Tomas in 1998. She later enrolled at the university's Faculty of Medicine and Surgery in 1999, but left during her second year to pursue professional modeling and a song and dance career. Uson is one of the most widely read commentators in the Philippines through her blog, Mocha Uson Blog, which is hosted on Facebook. Initially, she provided commentary and advice on sex and sexuality and hosted online video chats. During the 2016 Philippine presidential elections, Uson's blog posts began to shift towards politics. Her blog reached over 5.3 million followers in December 2017, with posts that actively support Duterte and his anti-drug campaign. Her blog also opposes much of the country's leading news groups, including ABS-CBN, GMA Network, the Philippine Daily Inquirer, and Rappler, which she derided collectively as prostitutes, a portmanteau of press and prostitute. She had also openly criticized Vice President Leni Robredo, Senators Leila de Lima and Antonio Trillans, and the Liberal Party. Uson previously hosted Mocha Uson Blog, Boses NG Ordinaryong Filipino, a radio commentary program which aired over DZRH. However, the program was suspended after the radio station received complaints regarding Uson's profane remarks against then Vice President Leni Robredo. Critics have also noted that Uson's monthly salary of Philippine peso 106,454.00 equivalent to Philippine peso 116,891 in 2021 for her work at the Presidential Communications Operations Office PCOO was unusually high for a civil service employee. Critics called for Uson to resign via social media activism and circulation of petitions. Personal life, Uson is openly bisexual. She calls herself an open-minded Catholic, but has suggested that the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines is the Antichrist. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.